it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try.
Good morning, you guys. It is Christmas Eve. Unfortunately, things are a little bit different, okay? We're pretty much stuck in the house. We're literally snowed in. It is a blizzard here in New York. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you. Like, what? Yeah. It's a bit much, you know? But we're just gonna stay in the house and try to be Christmassy. I'm gonna make a little Christmas coffee just to put me in the spirits. Okay, these are all clean. I think I'm gonna go with my happy holidays. Alright, so I am going to make a little hot chocolate with an espresso shot, I think. So we're gonna do a little Swiss miss. And then we're gonna add some peppermint mocha to it and an espresso shot. Seattle is getting ice. Long Island is literally flooding. Like flooded.
Yeah.
And here is a blizzard. We can't even leave the damn house.
It's so crazy.
I mean, I said I wanted a white Christmas, but like, I wanted to leave the house. I have my little hot chocolate in here, and I'm gonna put it in the Keurig. Just put the water in the Keurig. Use the water from the Keurig. Goddamn. I had to switch over to this mug, but now I'm gonna put my espresso shot in. Yesterday was my sister's birthday, so now she's gonna open her present. Look at the wrapping paper. And look at her shirt, Stranger Things. We're waiting for my mom to come out. Guys, birthday. I love it.
Oh my goodness gracious. I love it.
Alright, you guys, so it's currently like 2 o'clock now, and I took a little nap, and now it's time to just get up. And even though we're not going anywhere, I'm gonna get ready, and we're probably gonna watch some Christmas movies. My grandparents are gonna try to venture over here. They literally live in the same trailer park as us, so hopefully that will be good. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I might be putting on. Thinking about throwing on my little sweater here. I don't know if I am gonna want to wear it tomorrow for actual Christmas, so it's kind of hard to decide what I want to wear, so I will let you guys know. I decided to wear this instead because I want to wear the red and white sweater tomorrow for Christmas. So I'm just wearing my little Charlie Brown Christmas shirt and this little cardigan, and I curled my hair. And we're just gonna have some snacks, watch some movies, stuff like that. Got our little snack set up here. Some chips.
Oh my god, do we really, babe?
Shut up! Alright, I'm about to open up. We have this one.
Okay, right.
The red grape. And we have the white grape. Pop it, stop. Awesome.
Should be making her look like now. Dude, the fucking painter's got their ass full.
I need some ice. I like all my stuff with ice.
Let's talk about Tula. They got some good food up at the house.
We're opening our Christmas Eve pajamas tradition. That's cute. Sakis. Chocolate bomb. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this tonight. Bubba's has his sweater on, and he's gonna get his Snoopy pajamas on, like his mommy. All right, y'all, I gotta change into my Christmas Eve pajamas. Here we go. Here are my jammies. We've got the little Snoopy pants. They're just like plaid with Snoopy on the side, and then we've got Snoopy in Woodstock here. It says sparkle and glow, and these are from Ardeen, so make sure if you want to go check out Ardeen, make sure you check them out. I have been really loving their website lately. And I sent these to my mom a while ago. She ended up getting them, so period. I have to finish up a little bit of wrapping now. I know I already did a wrap with me vlog, but I have to finish up some more, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and I don't know what else. I have to edit this video and post it, so. These are my mom's. My sister's in bed sick, but we'll get a video of her in the morning. Alright, you guys, I'm going to be filling my mom's stocking, so I thought that I would do it with you guys. I've never done this for her before, but I wanted to do it this year, so we're gonna do it, and I'm sure she's gonna be super surprised. So let's just go ahead and grab it. First, I got some socks to go in there. Got some different ones. I kind of think that she saw them when she was in here, but oh well, that's her for looking around. Just kind of shoving those in there. And I don't really have a ton because I was gonna get more, and then the blizzard hit, so, but there we go, start there. And one of my small business friends makes soaps, and it's Little Buffalo Bills soap, and she likes the bills, so I thought that would be cute to throw in here as well. I have a gift that I'm going to shove in here as well. So throw this in there as well. I have one more thing. I have this little ornament as well to put in there, so I'm going to do that as well. So excited. Alright guys, now I'm gonna finish up on my last minute wrapping real quick. Alright you guys, that's actually it for today's vlog. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas episode, the last one, day 25, Christmas Day. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!